Hello, and welcome to Lesson 4, Greek and Latin Roots. Showing my little card here, Greek and Latin Roots, Lesson 4. So for this one, I didn't bother making flashcards, especially since you can't read them anyway. And there's a lot of Greek and Latin roots. So I downloaded some common Greek and common Latin roots. Here, I'll show you here. Common Greek roots, common Latin roots. Found those online. I got this resource from schoolhouseteachers.com, so you can find and download and print it off yourself. I'll go ahead and read through them quickly. So common Greek roots, air stands for air. It's in words like aerodynamic, so on and so forth. Anthro, human, anthropology. Aster, star, astronomy. Auto is self. Biblio, book. Bio, life. Cardio, heart. And sorry if I mispronounce any of these. Hopefully not. Hopefully I should be familiar enough with them. Most of you should too. Because you'll recognize words that come from these ancient words, what we use modern. Chrono, time. Cycle, ring or circle, it's like bicycle. Deck, tin, dim, people, democracy, etc. Derm, skin. Erg, work. Okay. Geo, earth. Gram, something that is written. Graph, to write. Hydro, water. I'm not sure if I 100% agree with all these definitions, just because I know a little bit of ancient Greek. Log is word. So if you studied the Bible, you should be familiar with that one from the logos, the word. Math, learning. Meter, measure. Micro, small. Mime, to imitate. Okay. Mono, single. Morph is a form. Path is to feel. So pedo, like pedagogy, is child or children. Feel is love. It's like philo. Phone is sound. Photo, light. Fill, leaf, chlorophyll. Phys is a body or nature. It's like physical physics. Scope, to see. Tech is craft. That's where we get like technical and technology from. Tect is a builder, like an architect. Tele is far off, telephone, telegraph, telegram, so on. Theo is God, theology, study of God. Tri is three, and zoo or zo is animal. So those are the common Greek roots. And like I said, you can download and print these off so that you don't have to write them down, but it does help to write them down to memorize. Common Latin roots. Act is to act or do. That's an obvious one. Ami is to like or love. Audi is to hear. Bina is good. Sept is to take or hold. Dict is to say. Duck is to lead or make. Gin is to give birth. Gress is to walk. Ject, to throw. Junk is joined, so like in conjunction. Jur or jus are both referring to the law, also like jury, justice, etc. Ledge is to read or choose. Loose is light. So Lucifer is another good example for that, if you want some biblical example. Manu is by hand. Mand or mend, to order. Okay. Miz and mit, sinned. Move is move, obviously. Omni, all. So omniscient is a word I used earlier. Omniscient means all-knowing. Omnipresent is all-present. Omnipotent is all-powerful, so on and so forth. Now this is interesting. So in Greek, the pedo, like I said, means child. English persons pronounce that like pedo with the ae instead. Ped in Latin meant foot. That's why you have things to do with feet that are start with ped, like podometrist or it's a foot doctor and so on. Centipede is an example they give here. Many feet, pedicure. So ped in Latin, foot. Pinned, to hang. It's like pendulum or suspend. Port, carry. Qui or quit, quiet, rest, tranquil. Rupt, break, so like rupture. Scrib or script, to write. Sect, cut. Sense and scent, to feel. It's like sensitive, sentiment, sentimental, so on. Feel has to do with feelings. Sequi, follow. Okay, spect, look, tact, touch. And again, here's another difference between Greek and Latin. In Greek, earth is geo. Geo is the earth. In Latin, terra is the earth. So terra. So it would be like territory, terrain, etc. Those are words that come from the Latin and have to do with the earth. Tract, to pull or drag or draw. That makes sense. That makes me think of. They wrote attract, protract, traction. Word that comes to mind with me is tractor. Vake is empty. Vert, turn. Vid or viz, to see. The old phrase was it vidi vidi vici, I came, I saw. Voke, to call. And volve, roll or turn. Evolve, revolve, so on. So those are all the common Latin roots. So common Greek and Latin roots is something you'll study throughout English language arts, grades 6 through 12, because when you know those, you'll be able to figure out other words you don't know, or like where their origin came from, why they are spelled the way they are, etc.